Okay, today we're going to make a Halloween pumpkin. So, I just recommend this in a snowy biome because it would just look better. I don't know, it's fall. And we love Halloween. Oh, it's just so fun. You get candy, you do all this magnificent stuff. But today we're gonna transfer it to Minecraft. All you'll need is shroomlight, pump, normal pumpkin, not carved pumpkins, and well, and maybe some lit up jack lanterns to put around it would be cool. Okay, let's get started. So we're gonna make like a dome for the pumpkin. This is not gonna be so big pumpkin because I'm not good at picking spots. Well, you can make it as big as you want, but this is how big I'm gonna get. Okay, make it really, really tall. It needs to be tall. It's gonna be like a pro pumpkin. Okay, so this pumpkin will be so cool. It will be epic. So we want to stack the pumpkins on top of each other until like a lot. It's it's hard to explain. We want to make a pumpkin, big pumpkin, a big fat pumpkin, a big plump fat pumpkin. I just like saying the pumpkin is fat. Well, be more fat than the ordinary pumpkin. Okay, you can make yours as wide as you want. Oh, and also I forgot to say that you'll also want Leslie some. What do we have here? Maybe, okay, where's the wood? Okay, there. So you wanna, grab some, maybe just, striped spruce log would be good for the top of the pumpkin. So, we have to, oh, oops, I placed room light. Okay, now, now I think I'll just do like 2 more layers and it will be done. And remember, if I'm done before any of you, you can always pause the video. That's always an option. I'm never getting rid of that button. Okay. And also, remember to like and subscribe. The button is just waiting for you to click it. Okay. I'm gonna... So, Lizzie, how tall is this thing? Okay. Decent. Now, okay, do it like a normal villager house. Layer this on top. And we're not gonna make like an actual villager house if you're expecting that. It's not a pumpkin house. It's a jack-o'-lantern. It's a huge jack-o'-lantern. I don't know, but you can do any design on your pumpkin face. But doing I'm a noob at making Minecraft designs. Or I mean repeating them. Ugh, why? I already knew. But I'm going to make it like this. You can just chip at your layers. It won't go to waste. I'm doing mine like uh mine looks like okay. No, I want to make it like a vampire. I make him a vampire. And I'm gonna put it down like this. Some fangs. And for the rest, you're gonna fill up the gaps with shroom light. Okay. To make it like light up. Done. Okay, not done. We have to add the striped spruce log on top. I'm gonna put it that way a little. And now we're done. Oh, this doesn't look like a vampire. It looks like a cat. Okay, I'm gonna make it a cat. Okay, this is a cat, not a vampire. Changed my mind. Anyway. Okay, bye. This is how to make a cat pumpkin, I guess?